beautiful friends. Welcome back to my daily little home. My name is Suany and today I'm participating on the cute and cozy decor fall treats and snacks with the holiday cookie Diva. And I'm so happy to have been able to participate in this challenge. I think it was fun to think, you know, those things that make you feel like fall is here and feel cozy, and those things that you kind of eat more during the fall times. So the challenge consisted into having a tray, and in the tray having a bowl containing your fall treats or snacks. And I have this bowl. It's a two-tier that I made from the Dollar Tree, and it has a bowl in the top and it's containing my cookies. And these cookies are regular sugar cookies, the ones that you buy at the store. And just before I bake them, I roll them in some sugar, cinnamon, and pumpkin spice. They're delicious. And when I think of fall, I think of pie. I eat a lot of pie during fall. Apple pie, pumpkin pie, but my favorite is pecan pie. Today I prepared pumpkin pie. I'll link the recipe in the video where I got the recipe from in the info box. And I love pecan pie. And in my tray I have these DIYs. I made these pumpkins from the Dollar Tree pumpkins, and I painted them and stacked them. If you want to see that video, it's already up on my channel, so go check it out. And, you know, candles during fall time, it feels so cozy, it feels so good in here. It's nice. I love fall. My favorite candle, marshmallow fireside. I have my coasters here with their initials, and I have this pumpkin that has tea in it. I drink a lot of tea and coffee during fall. Pumpkin spice latte. I drink coffee all year, but I drink a lot of warm drinks more often in fall and winter. So this is my tray. So that's the tray, the bowl, the decor, and once again, thanking the Holiday Cookie Diva for hosting this challenge. It's been fun. Go check out her channel. She has a lot of ideas to decorate and DIYs, and she's very fun. I enjoy watching her videos, and I love her challenges. She has another one coming up, so if you're interested, go check it out. So go check out my channel if you're looking for ideas to decorate for fall. I have DIYs. I have decor ideas in general for the house. My house is very small, so everything has a purpose and everything has to work in this house, or else it will be really crowded. Thank you for watching, and thank you for letting me share with you my fall tray with my treats and my snacks. And I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna sit here, have my cookies, my pie, and enjoy my coffee. And thank you once again to the Holiday Cookie Diva for hosting this challenge. Thank you. God bless you guys. Bye bye.